What's going on, my E unit? Welcome back to Def Jam 5 from New York. Last time we left off, I bought a new, we beat Sean Paul. I bought a new style, submissions, and I also, beefed up my fighter's, gear off screen, you know what I'm saying? I try to make him as accurate as his Vendetta outlook, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it does some justice, you know what I'm saying? I try to make him look as much accurate as his Vendetta outfit. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me check on the stats real quick. Make sure we on the right track.
What kind of workout you want today?
Now we have upper strength at 30, toughness and health at 30. Everything else is 20. But for this next club, I probably won't need to upgrade my stats. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna spend all my DP. I'm gonna be conservative with my DP. You know what I'm saying? Because we got some big fights after this club. Dragon House. We got 3 people, and we're going to start off with Chiang, who only knows martial arts. Homeboy got the Rocker Rare hat on. Oh, Jin the MC looking. Anywho, it's been a while since I picked up the gold GameCube controller, man. So, you know. Hopefully I still know how to play. I'm gonna knock off some rust.
You in some serious trouble now. Pay attention, kid. I'm gonna show you my art tonight. We are ready.
Ooh, he countered me pretty good. That's that submission style, baby.
Let's end.
Ugh. Right onto that fence over there. Now, what's special about this place?
Word
Has ring out rules.
This is basic thugger.
Hit him with the John Cena. And the Cradle Pile Driver. Yup. Man, he out of here already? With the blazer? Come on, man. Hit him with the blazer. Hit him with the Latin twist. Sadly, due to submissions, I lose my haymaker punch. But I can still throw him into stuff and KO him this way. Jin the MC.
How about you shine my shoes?
Back attack, Koto. You got 600 DP for that? Alright, but I'm not gonna spend no more DP until we clear out this club. We're gonna sweep this club and then we're gonna spend some more DP. Cause these guys, all 3 of these guys are freaking easy. Skill bonuses. You get skill bonuses for learning fight styles and for achieving performance milestones. These bonuses are required in order to maximize the fighting skill. Alright. Later for that, Sting. Later for that. Alright. Ex-Matha. First we fought a Triad, now we're gonna fight a Yakuza. Let's go. He only knows submissions, sadly, as a style. He only knows one style. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. 9 is in this game, right? And he was in the previous game. He's weaker on here than he was on the previous game. And I think the same applies to this cat. Yeah! Oh crap, I mistimed that. Oh man, got me in a triangle choke, man. Chill. That is a pause moment right there. Get that out of here, punk. Huh. Now, there is ring out on this board, but I do not like using it. Ankle lock. Ugh. Ah, I shouldn't have went for the haymaker. Ooh, kicked him right in the nuts. Let's go. Man, it's about to be another 1-minute victory. Huh. Yeah, this board is still one of my favorite boards to use. 1-minute victory, like I said.
That straight train that hit you?
Kill him again. 600 DP for that. Man, this cat was easy, man. This cat was easy.
Sound production.
Fighting styles. Every fighting style has a unique advantages and special KO moves that will help you win your fights. By learning the styles, you evolve from your set by adding depth and variety to your attacks. Come down to the gym and I'll show you what's up. Well, we already learned 3 styles, so why do we need to learn any more? I got some new designs that just arrived. You should really come down and take a look.
You keep messing with my crew, we gonna lay your ass out. So you best be out before we take you out.
E-Unit, are we scared of some little voicemail threat, man? You ain't gonna do nothing, Snoop. Come on, man. Santos. Oh, he only got kickboxing. Alright, this shouldn't be too hard, man. Alright. This dude don't even look. He don't even look far east, man. He look Filipino. The other guy, the first guy we fought was Chinese. The second guy is Chinese, man. He look Filipino. Yo! Aww. Yo, pay attention to his trunks. He got the flag of the Philippines on his trunks. I knew he was Filipino. Get off me, bitch. What's up? I knew he was gonna throw me over there. Alright, this guy might be a little tougher than the last few opponents we fought. Man. My guy's still getting dizzy. I need to improve that toughness. Come here. Choke him out. Choke him out. That's what happens when I do hard grapple and punch now. Don't try to grab me, man. We do clinch moves, man. Hit him with the... Ugh, flopped him. Get that out of here, sir. Man, will you stop throwing me into the gate, man? Do something different. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me quit messing around. You can't fly off of stuff because you're not a martial artist, doofus. Let me throw you into some gates. Hit him with the submission hold. Yeah. Choke him out. 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 All 3 of these little guys over here in Chinatown was easy. New voicemail. Later for that. What up, Playboy? It's Bar. Unfortunately, New York. Alright, we'll check you out. No, we'll check you out, but later for that. I'm gonna upgrade. Let's upgrade these stats real quick.
Back for more, huh? Let's get down to business.
Let's beef these up real quick. Ah, damn. Get those at 30. See if I can get these to a full bar. 1,500 for that? No problem. Alright. Red Room. Now, fun fact. This is the only time we ever get to visit this club. The Red Room. Crow's Illegal Boxing Club and Casino offers high-stakes fighting after dark. Let's get it. We fight Dulcie? Let's go. The punk that left us to go fight for Crow. I bet you will, D. Pause. Now, this is the crazy part. He has street fight, martial arts, and wrestling, right? But his hard grapples do not have wrestling moves to KO with you. To KO you with. I'm sorry. This man, whew. This man Dub C, man. He underrated MC. Crow means business.
Any last words, punk?
Come now. I know you ain't serious. You about to get sneezed now.
Hey, real quick, y'all. Stop taunting. Ugh. Ugh. What's up? What's up? Whoop. Come on. Man, you're not about to reach me with that. You're not about to reach me with that. Get your I'm gonna roll face ass. Yo, what was that movie just did? What was that? He bounced off the ropes and did a corkscrew headbutt. Who was that? Joe, the big body and the Liberton hydraulics hotter than the Mojave. Face ass out of here. Let me choke you out real quick, bald boy. Get your West Side Connect gang, BB bang. Get your old let it rain, let it drip. What y'all know about 3-time felons? About West Side Connection. What y'all know about that? You don't get your old man, fuck who you're saying, F who you're telling. I'm only Bella with 3-time felons. Rolling till the wheels fall off. We're gonna be rolling till the wheels fall off. Get him out of here. We got 2,000 DP for that? Let's go.
Great match, baby.
You came through for us again.
Looks like my man just took another one of your clubs, Crow.
That's what I want to talk to you about. Man, this war is costing us both too much money. You know it, and I know it.
What are you suggesting? A truce?
Something much more interesting. A fight. Winner takes all.
And the loser?
The loser? Hell, I don't know. Loser goes to Jersey.
Who are the principals?
My boy Crack versus your best man.
Yeah, and I'll make him bleed. Just ask Blaze. He remembers me.
Alright, you're on.
So who's it gonna be?
My partner right here.
What? Man, this is bullshit.
You better watch yourself.
Nah, man, you better watch yourself. Out of here.
Hater.
Looks like you got yourself a little morale issue there, brother. See you Friday.
Don't worry about Sticky. You just be ready.
Don't worry about Sticky. You just be ready. Yeah, alright. So apparently, D-Mob set up a fight against Crow's toughest crony, Fat Joe. Look at this. Hey, bruh. Go home, Danny. Go back to Spy Kids. Come on, man. Look at that, man. Oh, man. He's so pathetic. He's making fun of us for going up against Fat Boy. In fact, I was just coming to come see you, Henry. I needed to update my stats anyway. Thank you for the message. I'm coming down there right now, Holmes.
Hey, how's it going? Let's put your ass to work.
Let's get that up. Let's get that up. Let's get that up.
Nice workout.
Now everything, hold on.
Welcome back.
Everything is at 40%. This should be good enough to take down Fat Joe. Now this is the only other club that ends mid storyline that we only visit like one time. Crow's Cage Club plays host to some of the biggest events in the city. Let's go, Club Murder. Now the best advantage we have is that he has low speed, but his striking is maxed out and his grappling is very damaging because of it, and he has 2 styles. Now this is one of the hardest fights in the game for beginner, but we gonna hold out and finesse. You know what I'm saying? For the EU, yeah, I'm gonna hold out for y'all. I'm gonna finesse. That TS chain still rocking, man. R.I.P. Big Pun. Let's go ahead and handle ya. Come on, Joseph Cartagena.
You're making a big mistake fighting Crack tonight. He's gonna break your ass in 2. There's still time for you to wise up and walk away.
Man, Joey ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't nothing, Snoop. When you gonna fight me? I want you to fight me. He ain't gonna be nothing. Oh, this looks skittish as hell. No cap. Hey, real talk, man. What y'all know about that? You gotta flow, Joe. You gotta flow, Joe. You gotta let them know, Joe. What y'all know about that? What y'all know about We Thuggin' with him and R. Kelly, huh? Some of these cats is doing their own thing. None of these cats that trips like us.
Yeah, you gonna lose your teeth messing with me, yeah?
Okay, I missed that. I'm about to say, he about to start pedigreeing me. Spoiler alert. You let him hard grapple you too often, he will pedigree you. But what I like to do is use the environment to your advantage. Just use the environment to your advantage. Ah. You see, he reverses stuff from time to time. See, look at this. Now, he's going to be able to get away with this for you 2 times because your player will not recover 9 times out of 10. Like so. He gets high momentum from this, too. Because of his charisma is at a high level. Come here. Just use the gate. That's what it's there for. You get easy blazings this way. Oh, damn. Man, get that out of here. I'm not gonna just sit up here and let you grab me like that, man. Now what you can do is get these knees and finishing move. Let's go. Stone to the gate and knock him out. Simple as that. Simple as that. That wasn't that hard.
While you down there, how about you shine my shoes?
Ladies and gentlemen, this show is over.
Now, if me and Crack was fighting in the ring, I probably would be in trouble because he's a wrestler. But since we're in the cage, it makes the situation a whole lot easier. I guess the turf is ours now.
Send me a postcard from Jersey. Time to celebrate.
Where are we going?
Sorry, sugar. Business. Don't worry, baby. I'll see you later.
My guy has power walking away from his fine girl.
You did good. Look, we got a lot of work to do. But first, I want you to have something. This is to show you how much I appreciate what you've done for us. Now, you're family. Wait! Don't do it, man!
Say goodbye, bitch.
Goodbye, bitch.
So because y'all steady losing fights with the hands, you want to go to the guns. You know, I find it funny, bro. He said, "Say goodbye, bitch," and then the gun clicked, and then my fighter said, "Goodbye, bitch." That's like you getting threatened to say something else, and then you say something else. You were supposed to go to the... Oh, come on, bro. Get over there, punk. Ooh, Ronnie, yo, jump. Let me grab you real quick. Hit you with the cradle pile driver. Huh. Nope. That haymaker does hella damage. Huh. So do these punches. Nope. Get down, bitch. Actually, let's get back up. Train coming. You better hurry up and get up here before you get ran over. Get out of here, punk. And yes, that is canonical. Because Danny Trejo does not appear anywhere else in this story.
Just get out of here.
No way. You're coming with us.
Leave me.
Forget it. Crow's gonna die for this.
No, remember what I said. That ain't the way. Now get the hell out of here. Come on, let's go.
We got work to do.
Yeah, we gotta hit Crow back tonight.
No way. That's exactly what he expects us to do. He'll be waiting.
What? So we just run away scared?
Do I look scared? No. But I ain't stupid either. We gotta do things the right way. D-Mob's way. We take Crow's turf by beating his fighters.
Yeah, you're crippled and have the crews jump town. Man, we gonna need some help.
Hey! What's going on?
It took this long for Redman to finally wake up. Dog, you must have had like a freaking 30-day hangover messing around. You probably ain't washed your behind or nothing. You was sleeping on the couch this whole time. Y'all expect me to buy that? Oh, man. But you're still one of my favorite rappers, though. Oh, we got a message from D-Mob. Okay, at least he didn't die from that gunshot wound, because as you can see, blood was coming down his face. So, you know, at least he's alive. At least he's alive.
Don't worry about me. Follow places for me to get our clubs back.
You have my word, D-Mob.
What you gonna do now, bitch? You keep messing with me, and I'll kill you and your crippled ass friend.
Dude, you sent your cronies to come down and shoot after y'all lost a bout against us, man. Y'all not real. You had to go to the guns, man. Shut up. We not scared of you. I might do that off screen, man, but this episode's running too long. If you guys enjoyed this video, man, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, man. I'll see you guys around for some more Def Jam Fight from New York. Till then, take care, y'all. Deuces.